Hello everyone, my name is Mariam and I'm the creator of Satzam. I created Satzam because, well, I was just another SAT student and I've had a lot of trouble with third-party resources. My problem was that most of these resources were very curriculum oriented, meaning that each resource will decide that these are the important ideas, these are the important applications and questions of the lesson, and base all their question drills, videos, content on these ideas. And that's really great if you just want to learn math in general, but it's really horrible if you're studying for a specific test like the SAT, because this approach is highly subjective. Each of these teachers have their own opinion on what is important and what is not, which usually happens to be very different from what the actual test makers think. I've personally wasted many months on specific resources, and some of them were actually very popular resources. I would study all the content, all the chapters, solve all their drills, only to be completely thrown off if I solve one of the College Board practice tests. Which made me reach the conclusion that I have put much of my energy, much of my time, not to become good at the SAT, but to become good at solving the drills of that particular resource. Sometimes the resource was even harder than the actual SAT, but it was harder in a different way, in a different application than what I would see in the SAT, so it wasn't actually helpful at all. And that is why I created Satzam, and I decided that it's going to be completely official resource oriented. So for each topic, I would collect all the College Board official questions and I would carefully analyze them, making note of all the important ideas, any common question types, any important applications, and even the common wording. I actually have a chapter just for the new types of questions in the new SAT. So don't forget to follow me because I will be posting mind maps, tips and tricks, explanation videos, and even bite-sized reels for those of you who don't have a large attention span. You can also directly contact me for the full course, including one-on-one tutoring sessions, detailed summaries for each chapter, mind maps for each chapter, common question types for each topic, and question drills.